Hi everyone, thanks for stopping by today to see what I am going to be unboxing. And today I have the March 2020 Allure Beauty Box. And I get this through a monthly subscription via Amazon. I do not go through Allure directly. And this is what it looks like when I open, and you have a little booklet. And I guess the booklet, I'm trying to think if I got a booklet last month. I think I did. I'm not really sure. It just tells you what the products are. It gives you a little info, I guess price. If it's full size, that kind of information. And I'll just pull back the tissue and I'll show you what is in here. This is $15 a month. I think they set about 5 to 7 products, I think you're supposed to get. Bang my table, not the camera, thank God. And sometimes they promise 2 full size, but for $15 a month, I'm happy with whatever I get. And let's get right into it. Let me open the book. And I might go in order in the book, just to make it a little bit easier for myself. And this is from Rodial. Rodial. I don't think it's Rodial, but you never know. This is Glamo Lash Mascara XXL. Right here. And this is a full-size product with a value of $28, and you can buy it directly from that company. And this is a UK-based and a US-based website. And is that black? Does it say if it's black? A lot of times they are. I just assume black all the time. Yeah, extreme black. Okay, so that's nice. We have a full-size product right there, and this is another full-size product. Maybe I won't go in order. Maybe I will. The next item in here is from Dr. Botanicals. I would assume that's, let me see if I can find it in the book. Okay, found it. So, this has a seal on it. Does it seal both ends? Of course. Let's get some scissors. And Dr. Botanicals Lemon Superfood All-in-One Rescue Butter. Okay, that sounds interesting. Let's open this up. Okay. Let's open this up. I don't know if this is full size or not. It says $14.90 on it. This is 1.69 ounces, 50 ml. This could be a full-size product. So this is what it looks like, and it is not full to the top. It's pretty much, I don't know if you guys can see, maybe about here. There's like two, I would say about here for fullness. Let's see if it has a seal on it. Yes, it does have some kind of, I can still smell lemon through it. So that's a nice size product. Let me see what this is. If it's just a all-in-one rescue butter, is it just for your body, for your face? Okay, it seems like it says this one is creamy and pastel yellow. And the light citrus scent really makes it feel like a treat, not a treatment. I use it all over face, hands, elbows, knees, and cracked heels. Coconut oil, lemongrass oil, and antioxidants keep my skin from drying out. Okay, $14.90. I would think that's full size. I would not think that was like a sample size, and you can buy that directly on drbotanicals.com. Lotions, when you're coming season to season, I don't know about anybody else, but I get very dry. The next item is from Floss. And this is my new favorite gloss in LAX. I think I've gotten this before. This exact shade, as a matter of fact, which is a nice shade right here. So I'm not going to open this one, because I probably will share this one in a giveaway. I'm trying to think what other box I had LAX in. I don't remember, but I know I have it, and I did keep it for myself, so I will share it with somebody in a giveaway. And then the next is this very small bottle, and this is from Mamonde Red Energy Recovery Serum. $40 is a full size. This is a sample. You buy it at Ulta.com. And let's see what this is. It says it's spiked with flower extracts like antioxidant-rich pomegranate flower and absorbs quickly without any annoying stickiness. It has brightening effects, serums for hydrating power, and of course that hit the floor. I would assume this is for your face. And I have plastic on my finger from something. So that's not a bad little sample. Let's so it's just a little, you know, a little pump. So to try it, to see if you like it, that's not bad at all. And then I see, that's where the sticky thing came from. Oh, okay, that product. So then we have a mask, and this is hyaluronic. So this is hyaluronic moisturizing mask, value of $3. I'm never going to try a mask. I never trust the $3 value. You can get these for $1, $2. Cruelty-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free. And this is in an Asian language. I don't know where it comes from. Korean. So I don't know what it says on the back. But hyaluronic mask, always a good thing. Never going to be mad at that. And you could have had the option to receive either one of these masks right here. One was serum, the hyaluronic. And then there should be one more product in here. And then in between the Mamonde, these were the two products you could have gotten. I did get the top one. The other one was a foam cleanser, which I'm fine with not getting. I don't generally like those, use those anyway. And then the last thing I see in here is from Urban Decay. Right here, Urban Decay. This is 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in 0. So this is going to be black. It looks black anyway. Oh, and it says a seal on it. So does it? Yeah, it has a seal on it, so I don't want to unseal it. Glide On Eye Pencil in 0. And this is definitely a sample. This is not a full size from them, and the full size would be $22. So this, I would say, is more like a deluxe sample, because the one in, oh, stuff's hitting the floor. Even the one in the book, you could just see that even the base is bigger. So I would say this is a deluxe sample from Urban Decay. But I'm excited to get Urban Decay in an Allure beauty box. Like I said, $15. I'm sure, I mean, this full size is $22. So let's say this is worth $10 or even $8 as a sample. And we all know this is $1 or $2. Here's a full-size mascara. So these range, I mean, I'm not going to go by any of their pricing because I think their pricing is just crazy. They're saying $28. I mean, even if, you know, mascaras, even if you went to a drugstore and bought $8 or $10. So right there, that pays for the $15 box. And we have a lip gloss, a serum, and then an all-over body butter. So once again, I think a great box. This is the Spring Vibes box from Allure. And like I said, this is the March box. If you're interested in getting this but don't want to deal with Allure directly, you can go to Amazon if you are a member of Amazon, or sign up for Amazon, and you can get subscriptions through them. I don't know exactly how many they offer, but I get my Allure beauty box through them, like I said, because I do not like to deal with Allure. So that is my box for today. I hope you all enjoyed. I hope everyone is abiding by the rules that are set in place for your county, your city, your state, and everyone is staying healthy. And I hope to see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.